Hi friends, happy morning. So this is Reshma. Welcome you to discuss another concept of database management system. So here in this session I'm going to write the queries using relational algebra operations. In previous session we have seen the usage of division operation, and here I'll discuss with you about the usage of union operator and also some aggregate functions. So let's start with the first example. To list the project numbers of the projects on which Smith is working. So here Smith may be working as a manager, or he may also work as a worker. So I need to find all the projects handled by Smith as a worker and also as a manager. So now we need to decide. So once the question is given, first we need to decide which are the tables required, which operator I can make use of. So now if I see the question here, I want to list project number, so I need project table. Then I want to check details of the employee who works as a worker, so I have to go for employee table. Also I need to check who works as a manager, then I take the help of department table. So in which department the Smith is working as a manager. Then I need works on table to find on which projects he is working. So here I need these four tables. Okay, so now the required data is extracted by joining these four tables. So now no need to join all the tables together. We can split the question and extract the data by joining two or three tables together, and finally we'll merge the data. So first what I will do, so we'll find the project numbers handled by Smith who works as a worker. So there I just take the help of employee table and works on table. Then we'll find whether Smith is working as a manager or not. So take the help of department table. Once I find the department of the Smith where he is working as a manager, again I will merge department table with the works on table. So on which projects he is working. Then finally we will display what are the project numbers handled by the Smith as a worker and also as a manager. So now in first step, among these employees I need to find which employee is having last name as Smith. So here, so if I see only first tuple, so where employee is having last name as Smith. So John is having last name as Smith. So I need to find projects handled by first this tuple. So we need to extract this tuple first. So how to extract? Simple query will write here. From the employee table, check the last name and find what is the SSN of the employee whose last name is Smith, and that I will. So here I have created intermediate table Smith where I will store his details. So now this is the tuple where L name is Smith, and I don't want all these columns here. I will extract only a required column here. SSN of Smith is sufficient. So using project, we have select first using select. The complete tuple is selected. Using project, only the required column will be selected. So here which column I need here? I need only SSN column. So then after taking the SSN column, as I need to check with works on table where SSN is given as ESSN, so I will rename SSN to ESSN. So here I will get the resultant table. Name of the intermediate result table is Smith. Attribute name is ESSN. Here value is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now I need to find the projects which are handled by this Smith. So what I need to do now? Now you need to apply some join operation. So better apply natural join. So because in Smith table I have one column ESSN. In works on table also I have ESSN. This is the joining attribute. So then equalize these two attributes and find on which project this John Smith is working. So here we'll here written a natural join query. Works on table is joined with Smith. So now match ESSN with the ESSN. So this is matching with the first tuple. So 1 will be selected. Again this match with second tuple. 2 will be selected. This is not matching with third. So 3 will not be selected. So what happens here? No, this is not matching with, just see all the tuples. It is not matching with any of the tuple. So how it matches only first two tuples. So it will select project number 1 and 2. Only the project number 1 and 2 will be selected from the result of natural join of Watson and Smith. So now here this project number I will store in another intermediate table, Smith worker project, that is where Smith is working as a worker on which projects he has handled. So now these are the two projects. So I will have created a new table. The P number is 1 and 2. So 1 and 2 are the projects on which John Smith is working as a worker. So in next step, we need to find the project numbers handled by Smith when he is working as a manager. First, I need to find whether he is working as a manager or not. If he is working as a manager, on which department he is the manager. So for that, find join employee table and department table and check whether employee is working as a manager. How to check employee working as a manager? If SSN of the employee is same as MGR SSN, then it shows this SSN is also a manager. So take the employee table and department table. We have taken employee and department table. We need to match SSN with MGR SSN, and we will see which employee is working as a manager. So first I will check whether 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8. Is he manager? Yes, see here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. He is the manager of department number 5. Then find the employee who is manager for department number 4. So 987, it is matching with which tuple? 4, Jennifer. So Jennifer is the manager for department number 4. Then another manager we have a 888 who is the manager of department 1. So then who is the manager of department 1 here? James. So James is the manager of department number 1. So now here among these 8 tuples, it match with only 3 tuples with this SSN matching with MGR SSN. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9, 8, 7, 6, 7, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 matching. Then 888, 6, 4 times 5. 888, 6, 4 times 5. So it has match. So now these two tuples, so these 3 tuples are selected. But now from these tuples, I don't want all the columns. I need only L name and D number. So only L name and D number is selected. So L name here is Smith, Wallace and Borg. Smith, Wallace, Borg. Department numbers are 5, 4 and 1. Only these 2 columns are selected. So let's give the name for this table as managers. So this is the table which gives the details about the managers. So now what I need to do, I need to find the projects where the Smith is working as a manager. We need to find those project numbers. So now what I will do again, will apply, I will join this manager table. Okay. Okay. So then what I will do now here, from this we need to find only the employee whose name is manager. So the name we need to extract only that manager whose last name is Smith. So go to MGR table, select only that manager whose name is Smith. So take L name as Smith. So for which department the manager is Smith? It is department number 5. See, for department number 5, manager is Smith. So these 2 tuples are rejected here. So this part of the query, it will select these tuple. So then I don't want both the columns. I need only department number. So I have written pi D number. It has selected only D number from this. So now I want to join this table with the works on table. So in works on table or project table, I have used in place of D number, we have column name D num. So I will rename this to D num. Now this is the result. So this indicates department the number of the department number is 5, where Smith is working as a manager. So we'll say rename this as Smith underscore manage department. Smith managing the department number 5. So now we need to find which are the projects handled by department number 5. So this indicates any project handled by department number 5 means these are handled by the manager Smith, because Smith is the manager of department number 5. So now we will apply department of the Smith as a manager with the project. So this is project table and this is the department where Smith is the manager. Then determine the project numbers. So first apply here natural join. Department number is the joining attribute. Natural join, it will identify the column with the similar name. Dnum and here dnum are the identical names. So this is the joining attribute. So equalize 5 and 5. 5 matching with 5, yes, first tuple will be selected. 5 matching with 5, second tuple will be selected. 5 match with 5, third tuple selected. 4 matching with 4, 5, no. 1 matching with 5, no, so reject. 4 matching with 5, no, so reject. So here I have first, second, third. So these three tuples are matching. So now here I don't want, so then the result will be like this. These three tuples are matching tuples for department number 5. Now I don't want again all these columns. I need only the project numbers from this. So extract only project number. So project number are selected. So now, so result of the project numbers for worker, where the heading we have given for P-num. So here I will replace P number with P-num. So this is the table which gives project numbers handled by Smith as a manager. So now here we got two tables. One table is a project numbers handled by Smith as a worker. Another table project numbers handled by Smith as a manager. So now I need to merge these. So using union operator. Use union operator, combine these two values. So this is the project numbers where Smith as a manager. This is the project numbers where Smith as a worker. Apply union operation. So after applying union operation, I'll get 1, 2, and 3. And here it will display 1, 2, 3 only one time. So duplicates are eliminated and I will get the resultant table with project number 1, 2, and 3. So this is shows the result. So here it is the project numbers handled by Smith as a worker and also as a manager. So this is the usage of union operator. So now I'll discuss one more query here. The next query is list the names of all employees with 2 or more dependents. So just think of this question. I'll discuss this in my next video. Thank you.